Hello, I'm back out on the lanes of Norfolk, ride number 2 in Norfolk. So if you watched the last video, which is the first one in Norfolk, you might remember I said that the forecast was that it would come in again windy. And it was nice and quiet and not windy and still this morning, and I didn't go out in the sun. I didn't look at the forecast. Now it's predominantly cloudy, gone significantly colder, and the wind's picking up. It's late afternoon, but I thought I might as well go out. I'm on holiday, I might as well. So today's ride is planned for just under 20 miles, so not a long one. We've got lanes to start with, and then we're picking up the Weaver's Way, which is an old railway line. Taking that for about 7 miles and then back onto the lanes. Always got amazing skies in Norfolk. So I'm just now coming into Stalham, which is one of the entry points for the Broads. I'm going nowhere near the Broads, at least I don't think I am, but this is where I'm going to pick up the start of the Weaver's Way. Look at this here, a Rex, a T-Rex, a Dinosaur. As my grandson would say, "Rawr." So here we are, I found the start or end, depending which way you're coming from, of the Weaver's Trail. There we go. And of course it is an old railway line. Not that the crisscross of roads in this area are especially busy, but it is nice to come out onto a traffic-free cycle and walking route. Good thing as well, the surface is pretty good, so you can actually keep up an decent average speed. This is a very nice route, and of course through these trees is actually quite sheltered when the wind's picking up like it is. You stayed pretty close, didn't they? Must be used to humans. I don't normally come back close to you. I think I'm right in saying that is the only bridge going over this route. So, beware of the trains. Maybe not anymore. The old station buildings, look. Honing. This would have been Honing Station. Amazing, it's all still there. Or the platforms at least. So I think I'm coming up now towards the end of the Weaver's Way. A couple of wooden bridges been added there. So I'm about 10 miles into my ride. So about halfway. The rest after this is going to be quiet lanes back to the house where we're staying. Oh yeah. So this grubby underpass signifies the end or start of the Weaver's Way, depending which way you're going. So I'm back now onto the quiet lanes, which Norfolk is very well known for. I've just been through a village called Meeting Hill. I think the rise up to it is about 8 foot. That's a hill in Norfolk. Still got quite a few trees for cover from the wind, but I have a feeling I'm going to be a little bit more exposed in a few miles. These roads I'm on now, well, I've been coming to Norfolk for a few years, these are new ones for me. But I'm connecting back to some more familiar ones, which are definitely quite open. So I'm about 13 miles in now, 14 miles, 6 to go, and I wasn't expecting this, but Commute sent me down a track. I thought I was on the road all the way back. Interesting. Wasn't expecting this. But it is quite firm though. Sometimes when they come off onto grassy tracks like this, they can zap your strength, but I'm able to keep going at a reasonable pace. I don't really want to stop and consult the route, but I can't see I'll be doing more than a mile and a half of this, but who knows. Much less, only had about half a mile now back on tarmac. Quite glad about that actually, because it's getting a bit late and I'm cold. I didn't actually bring with me much in the way of warm weather gear. I think the last 4 times I've been here, it's been a similar week, and I've been in shorts. Not this week though. So I'm back in and out of the shelter of the trees. It's very windy now. That sky again. Whenever I come here, it always just amazes me how grand the sky is. Look at that. Fantastic, isn't it? Big skies of Norfolk. Still windy though. So I've got about a mile to go. Obviously in Norfolk it's flat, but there's a little rise just at the end, but it's only a rise. It's definitely not a hill. Skies again, look. Amazing. So I've had a very nice 20-mile late afternoon ride. Quite cool, definitely autumnal. I'm glad I brought some bib tights. I very nearly didn't. I very nearly only packed shorts, so I'm quite relieved. So thanks as always for watching. A few more Norfolk videos to come, all being well. See you again soon. I'll resist the temptation to say tomorrow. I think I might film every day that I ride, but maybe put the videos out every couple of days. Don't want to overload you, do I? So I shall see you soon. Thanks as always. Bye for now.